Welcome. In this video we will see top 10 security issues for mobile application. The first one is weak server-side controls. Second one, insecure data storage. Third, insufficient transport layer protection. Fourth, unintended data leakage. Fifth, poor authorization and authentication. Sixth, broken cryptography. Seventh, client-side injection. 8th, security decisions via untrusted inputs. 9th, improper session handling. And the last one, 10th, lack of binary protections. So these 10 are top 10 security issues for mobile application at the present. If you are going to do bug bounty on mobile application, then do watch for this top 10 vulnerability in mobile application. That's all. Thank you for watching this video.